Right folks, here's another little tip. We nearly forgot this one. I'm going to show you this in the tent. This is the Iceflame Quilt, and I know I kept telling everybody you've got to buy the straps, and the straps are like this little thin webbing with these same hooks on, and the idea is that they go underneath your mat and attach the quilt, so it's pinned to the edges like that. In reality, I never got on with them because they were rigid, and if you're wiggling about in the night, there's a chance that you were going to pull, and this is only thin, so it's going to rip. So I've been thinking about it and coming up with a little strategy, and I've got these little bungee loops with the little tensioner toggles. Get them all round in some sort of order. Am I there yet? So there you go. So the idea is that this side now is kind of where you want it. I think this extern is a bit of a wider one, because for a wider bloke. So you pull them up, you don't do them particularly tight, just cinch them up so it holds them roughly in the right place. Obviously you can sort these out when you're in it if you have to. So then you get on, and then your foot box is obviously zipped up, so that's staying where you want it. You keep your feet on the mat that end, and then on this side, if I can bring you around here, all you do is just hook those around the bungee. I won't do them all up, I'll just give you the idea. You can pull that so it's around there out the way. And the idea is that that is attached, so you haven't got any drafts going underneath. But if you do pull it in the night and kick out or whatever, it's elasticated and it'll pull up, give you a bit of give, and then it'll snap back to the side of the quilt. So when you're in it, that's in the right place. But you've just got a bit more room. You get under there, there's all loads of room. That's the advantage of a quilt, is you've got tons of room in there, but I've now got no drafts. So if you get the Alaft pillow, I think the Alaft 2 comes with a strap, and so obviously that can then go over the end of your mat, and it stops it from slipping off in the night. And if you're like me, somewhere in here I've probably got another one. I'll put it away now, but I have two pillows, and you can strap one pillow to the other one and then strap that to the mat, and there you go. So a bit of bungee cord and some little spring-loaded toggles, and that's a bit of an improvement on the old quilt. So in there, no drafts. Right, we're all done with that. We've had bacon baps and coffee, which was delicious. So we're just heading back up to the cars up there. So before I go, big shout out, #1 fan, Ryan, Katie. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. 3, 2, 1, action.
Cut. That was actually in line with your cock, that was. Cut.
That's not what you normally call me. Push yourself, Dave.
Fuck's sake. Oh shit, it's not recorded. It's not recording. Bollocks. Keep going. I'm joking.
Cut that bit out. Can't get a bit higher up. This may be the shortfall in my idea. How did I get that in? Jackson. recording now. Is that right? I think I've got these poles wrong, haven't I? That's supposed to come here.
How is it?
You yeah?
Where's it got to go?
So this is a footprint for a Lanshan 1. It does need a touching, doesn't it? The wind's getting it. God's sake. Ever gonna work? There you go. Waste of time. Don't bother with that. Just use that.
There's nothing better than having a white tent for being stealthy.
Oh, we work with it. So it's on the wrong
Take that
side. Oh, it's actually on the wrong side, isn't it? Oh, right. Yeah, it needs to be around that side. You get the idea.